Yo, what up, YouTube? You wanna go? Just finishing up at the dump here. Getting another day's work done. We'll work like 7 days a week here. Fucking, I started at 6, so it's 11:30 now. By the time I get back, I'll be 12, so it's a 6-hour day. I think I'm up to 40 hours today. I think today is my 40-hour break, so I should be getting 2 days on overtime, which should be pretty nice. Last week I brought home fucking, after taxes and after rent, they charged me $150 a week for rent here. So after that and the taxes and the $150, I brought home $1,000 bucks. I think 1,000 and some change, 1,036 or something. So it's decent. It's decent. It's picking up. So I'm feeling a positive vibe from this shit, man. I'm feeling a positive vibe from it. A lot of people give away some shit here, and they just throw shit away because you're on an island, and it's worth getting it off the island and selling it, I guess, you know. So I'm thinking there's a definite business on that end of things where you could link up and get this shit off the island and sell it off the island. And also there's a definite business for bringing shit on this island and selling it, like bicycles, scooters. Bicycles and scooters mainly, I would say. There's like 5 or 6 bike shops alone, man. 5 or 6 bike shops alone, and they make their rent, they make their living during the summertime, man. I'm telling you, everybody around here wants to drive a bike around. They just want to do it, man. I sold one bike on the island so far. I bought it over from Providence or somewhere. No, I was in Woonsocket. I bought it in Woonsocket. I bought that bicycle for $100. It wound up, the back tire was a little bit loose, and you know, I think it needed to get a new rim or something like that. And I bought it for $100 over there. I sold it to somebody over here for $250, and the kid already knew that it had a problem with it, and brand new that bike was like a $400 bike, so I think he knew what he wanted. I think that was a Fixie. What was the name brand? I forget the name brand, but it was a Fixie, had one gear, and it was, the brand was from California, but it did have like some cool colors, like it had like teal rims and like a nice yellow frame, so it was a cool looking bike, you know what I'm saying? So the kid was probably bought it for the cool looks. But yeah, I need to get some bikes over here ASAP and sell the fuck out of them, because people like the bikes around here. I've been seeing a lot of bikes called townies. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of it. They're nice little like beach cruiser type thing. I think they're townie. I don't know if that's the name brand or just the model name of the brand, but those are pretty sick, man. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm just getting back from the dump right now. Hot as fuck in this car. I'm trying to turn on the AC here. Yeah, but life is the garbage, man. I'm just saving some money up. Certainly doing that. Look at the positives, what you're doing, even if your situation kind of sucks like mine. I'm saving money. I'm making connections. I'm being thorough. I'm working every day. I'm building character in that aspect. I've been kind of sliding my diet and fucking exercise, but I'm gonna get that back up. But yeah, man, I'm saving money mainly right now. That's mainly the most positive thing I've been doing, and fucking connecting back with y'all, making these YouTube videos. I've been getting some thoughts and ideas. Like, y'all better comment down here, but comment down here and help each other out, man. This is what this channel's about. It's about helping each other out. We're a wave of positivity with all that negative ass shit going on in our life and negative ass people. We got to contend with them and kind of rise above and bring everybody else up. You know what I'm saying? I think this channel is for that. This is like a positive mind fucking type channel where we're kind of starting from the bottom and then we're rising to the top. So y'all better comment any ideas, or if somebody wants to get involved in this bicycle business over here in Nantucket. I'm telling you, I got a spot where I can store 5 bikes at a time, keep them safe, keep them clean, and then we can sell them. So if you want to get involved in that, whatever, like if somebody has an idea, just comment down below. I'm sure one of my followers get on it, or I'll get on it, and let's fucking do this, man. There's a lot of negativity going around with this fucking coronavirus bullshit. If anybody else is fed up with that shit and wants to make some fucking money, let's fucking go. Let's fucking get this shit, man. I'm telling you, like, this is the Wave of Positivity channel, man. Only positive comments. Fuck the dumb shit. And we're gonna fucking get it, man. I'm over here sweating my ass off in this vehicle for y'all because I want to make some content, man. Some positive content. I've been seeing a lot of negative shit on the news, so I just wiped that fucking shit clean out. A lot of people that I work with are fucking negative as fuck, so I just literally don't talk to them. I don't think I'm better than them, but I just want to be on the fucking grind here where I'm saving money, I'm thinking positive. I ain't drinking, I ain't smoking, I ain't doing no drugs. Fuck all that shit. It's fucking gets hard though when it's all around you, man. It fucking gets hard. I'm telling you, it gets hard when it's all around you, because that's why I'm making this fucking video, reaching out to people who also want to be positive, want to be on a whole different other level, building a team here, and we're just fucking getting it, man. We're just fucking getting it. That's all. That's what it's all about, man. Fuck the negativity, bro. I'm telling you, it's fucking everywhere. That's why I like living out in the country somewhere, because I'm around less people, because more people, it's like the more negative I become. I don't know what the fuck it is, but yeah, man, that's what this video is all about. My boy, fucking forget his name off the top of my head, but he's out there in Reno doing concrete, loving it. So I'm like, fuck yeah, that's fucking awesome, man. So I encourage y'all to save some money up. Let's save some money. We're in the money saving season with this coronavirus bullshit going on. Save your fucking money, dude. Don't try to keep up with the Joneses right now. Save some money, build a house, save up for a house, buy some land. I don't care if you live in that fucking house right now, just save some fucking money, so once you can live in that house, you are living in that house, and you're paying off a fucking house bill, you know what I'm saying? Fuck this other shit. I'm saving up for a fucking house so I can save up and pay that house off, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm done. I'm through with spending money on dumb shit. I really want an electronic bicycle over here, or a scooter over here, to explore the island and get to know it a little bit, because I feel like this is a pretty cool island with all its little nooks and crannies. But at the same time, I don't want to spend my money on dumb shit, but that's like the dilemma right now. Do I spend my money on electronic bicycle or a scooter? That's gonna run me like $1,500 right there, whether it's a scooter or electronic bicycle. Or do I just save my money and walk everywhere, and borrow my roommate's car to get to and from work? It's that type of fucking easy ass decision that this channel is all about. We're gonna help each other out. So what do I do in that situation? If I'm trying to save money, save up for a house, making about $1,000 a week, and I want a scooter or moped or electronic fucking bicycle to get around the island and whatnot, to explore a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because that's where I feel it's at, is exploring a little bit. Gym's not open right now, so yeah, I'm trying to feed in that time, that extra time that I have, that my mind kind of goes elsewhere, or I need something positive to fucking do, where so I'm not sitting around the house, or I'm not sitting around talking to people who I don't really want to associate with, talk to about dumbass shit. So it's like, yeah, get me on that, get me some fresh air. I'm not bringing my car over here. It's just not worth it to me, man. Like, it's super fucking crowded over here in Nantucket, man. To keep it real, it's super crowded. The best way to go would be like a Lime scooter business over here. I don't know why there isn't one, but I kind of want to start an underground one, because people would drive these Limes fucking everywhere, bro. If there were the Lime, if anybody knows what the Lime scooters are, you know what I'm talking about. If not, look them up. I really don't want to get into explaining what they are, but they're called Lime scooters. Then there's also a company called Bird. If there were birds and limes here, they would be fucking everywhere. Like, people would drive those around all day. So that's another business startup, like scooter rentals, bike rentals, boat rentals. I don't really know much about boating. I want to. That's kind of what attracted me. It is what attracted me over to the island, is getting into boats somehow, because I love the open water. It makes me feel like I'm in open country. But yeah, during this time of fucking COVID and whatnot, let's just save our fucking money and only investments. I know if I buy a bicycle over here, or I get a bicycle shipped to me over here, I could easily sell it come time. So let me put it this way: Nantucket Island is like the top of the line for pricing. You know what I mean? It's kind of like New York City here, where if you have a used bicycle, you're gonna get full dollar for your used bicycle, or if you have a bicycle, you're gonna get top dollar for your bicycle. I wouldn't say the same applies for cars over here, man. Like, I know people love Jeeps over here. People love Jeeps. They have Jeeps all over the place because there's a lot of sandy roads. A lot of people live off the grid out here. There's a main section, and there's kind of like an off the grid outside of Nantucket and whatnot. So people like the off-roading shit. You know what I mean? Like the Jeeps and the mountain bikes. But to my understanding, to get an ATV over here, you got to get a separate ATV type permit license. It's kind of like having your hoisting license or your hydraulic license when you are an operator on a construction site. So it's kind of like that type of shit. But there's a lot of fucking money to be made over here as far as bicycles go. I think that's the route to go, and just having a little plot of land to store the bikes, because real estate's expensive out here. But then again, it's all about who you know. So if you know somebody with a lot of land where you can store your bikes and just sell them online and make bike deliveries, it's kind of the way to go. So if anybody has any thoughts or ideas on that, look up Nantucket Island. That's where I'm at, Nantucket Island. No gyms are open right now. There's 2 gyms on the island. Only 2. That's another thing. I think there should be an Anytime Fitness here. I don't know why the fuck there's not. Like a huge Anytime Fitness. I'm talking about like a big ass one where you could charge $100 a month, $200 a month, people would come. Because I haven't seen the gym around here, but there's a health and fitness club that it's kind of shitty, I guess, you know what I mean? It's kind of shitty and gets crowded, so I don't know how they're going to do that with the COVID thing going on. But I have seen the other one that costs money to get in. That one's nice. That one's pretty nice. It's not bad. It's like a small Anytime Fitness one, or like an average Anytime Fitness one. But I don't fucking get it why there isn't a huge ass gym here. I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense to me why there's not a huge ass gym here where people have their privacy. It's just like, I think it's because people only come here a couple months of the year. But I would guess people would make their money off the gym with those people coming a couple months out of the year, because you can get to charge them pretty much like a full year price for your shit. So that's another thing I'm struggling with, not being able to go to the fucking gym. But staying positive. I'm doing my burpees. I'm keeping up with shit. So it is what it is. A lot of people from Texas here now that I'm on the thought about it. I see a lot of Texas flags around. So got that blood oil money, that blood diamond money, yeah. Yeah, man. But mainly the workers here are from Jamaica, and there's a few Mexicans around, but there's a lot of Jamaicans around as far as workers go. And then you got your locals, which are mainly white people. You got your local Jamaicans too who work here, but there's families that have been here for generations. They're pretty much all white. They're pretty cool. They're characters, man. They're like, you know, they've been on the island their whole life, so they're characters. Like my buddy who got the job, he's been on the island his whole life, so he's got that character vibe to him too. But yeah, man, I just want to get that off my chest and spread a wave of positivity, man. From now on, we're only spreading waves of positivity. Fuck the negative ass shit. That shit's out the door. Out the door. No more negative shit. No more negative shit. fucking go. It's fucking heating up out here. You see my color in my skin. I'm looking like a fucking red lobster. There's another bicycle shop. But with that, that's it. That's all I got. Peace. Later. Comment.